This is David with Organic Themes, and I'm going to demo the profile block, which is available in the Organic Blocks Bundle plugin. I already have the Organic Blocks Bundle plugin installed and activated, so I'm just going to go in here to my WordPress admin and add the block. So I'll start a new line, and I'll click this plus button to add the block. I'll search for the profile block. There it is. Now let's go ahead and add our profile information. So I'm going to click the upload image button here. I already have a bunch of media in my media library, so I'll just choose one of these images. Now let's add some information over here. I'm just going to copy some dummy text and add it here for the bio. Okay, we have our basic information here within the profile block. Now I'm just going to change some of the options over here on the right. So I'm going to start by increasing the size of our profile image. Okay, now I'm going to add some social media links. And you see, as I add these links, the block automatically recognizes the domain and it applies an icon appropriately. So I'll add one more here. Okay, now let's customize the style of our block. So I'm going to adjust the style preset here and choose the, let's go with the angular option. That adds a little angle to our profile image here. Just gives it kind of a cool effect. Now I'm going to adjust the border of our profile card. I'm going to change it to maybe a teal color. Let's increase the border width here to 3 pixels and increase the radius. It's a pretty cool looking card. I'm going to change the orientation though. Maybe I want it vertical instead of horizontal. There we go. Now let's customize the colors a little bit more. I'm going to change the subtitle color to a gray. And let's change the text color to maybe a brown. The icon color for the social media icons, I'm going to change to teal as well. And a background color of a light gray. Now there's my profile block. I'm just going to update the page. And I'll go to the front end of my site here and refresh the page. And you can see it's displaying exactly as it displays within our editor. So there you have it. I hope you like the profile block. There is a free version as well within the WordPress plugin directory. And the premium version that is available in the Blocks Bundle plugin includes a lot more options, such as adding unlimited social media links and changing the styles considerably.